Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In this video I'll be showing you how to make your Google Chrome browser look a bit more modern and more materialistic, both for your Android browser and your desktop browser. For this, just have the latest version of your Google Chrome browser installed, but it will also work on a Google Chrome Beta, Dev or Google Canary, but I am using Google Chrome stable version. So first in Android, go to the address bar, type in chrome://flags. On the flags page, search for Chrome Modernize and enable the flag called Chrome Modernize. A small pop-up will appear at the bottom, tap on Relaunch Now. You will see nothing has changed, so relaunch your Chrome browser again. Everything will look more modern and materialistic. To get a home button next to the address bar, go to Chrome Flags page and search for Force Enable. Enable the flag called Force Enable the homepage button. Relaunch your Chrome browser twice. You will get a home button next to the address bar. The home button will redirect you to a home page of the Google Chrome.
Lastly, for the desktop, we can change the look of the top action bar. New address bar is round and more readable. The new chat button is on the left instead on the right unless you are using the Google Chrome Beta or Canary version. Bookmarks bar icon are bigger and more specific to read. And the animation between switching tabs are a bit more smooth and clear. For this, you can just simply copy and paste this link from the description below and you can go straight to the Chrome Flags page. Or you can type Chrome Flags in the address bar. On the Flags page, search for UI layout and select the option Refresh. Or if you have a touchscreen surface, you can select Touchable Refresh and you can relaunch your Chrome browser. After relaunching, you will see the new modern version of the Google Chrome browser, and that's all to get the modernized version of the Google Chrome.
Feel this way forever. I'm Byron Jackson.